Hello, and welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Today, we explore the intricate ecosystem that governs our daily vitality. We shall explore the balance of blood sugar, a fundamental force that dictates our energy and mood. This internal tide, the ebb and flow of glucose, is critical to our daily experience. Disruptions leave us feeling depleted and out of sync. Understanding this mechanism is the first step towards regaining control. In this video, we'll show you how to balance your blood sugar naturally. Transform your days into a smooth, sustained journey of well-being. Chapter 1. Understanding blood sugar. Blood sugar or glucose is the lifeblood of our biological machinery. It courses through our veins, carrying energy to every cell, tissue, and organ. Derived from the foods we consume, glucose is the primary fuel source for our bodies. The brain in particular is a voracious consumer of glucose. However, this delicate system can be easily perturbed. Consuming foods high in refined carbohydrates and sugars can unleash a surge of glucose. This spike is followed by a rapid drop, the crash. This turbulent cycle leaves us feeling drained, irritable, and hungrier. Understanding this dynamic is the first step towards reclaiming our vitality. By comprehending the why, we empower ourselves to implement the how. Foster a harmonious relationship with our own physiology. Chapter 2. A balanced beginning. The dawn of a new day presents a crucial opportunity to set the stage for sustained energy. Many traditional breakfast options, laden with simple carbohydrates and sugars, offer a fleeting burst of energy. Instead, consider a breakfast rich in protein and healthy fats. These macronutrients are processed more slowly, releasing their energy in a gradual, controlled manner. This acts as a natural anchor for our blood sugar levels, preventing dramatic surges and plummets. Imagine a plate of scrambled eggs with avocado or Greek yogurt topped with nuts and berries. These meals provide lasting satiety and a balanced glycemic response. By choosing a meal that prioritizes protein and healthy fats, you are making a profound investment in your well-being. Equip your body with the resources it needs for consistent energy and mental clarity. This strategic approach to breakfast is a cornerstone of blood sugar management. Transform your daily experience from one of fluctuation to one of steadfast vitality. Chapter 3. Unmasking hidden sugars. In our quest for healthier eating habits, we often encounter foods that present themselves as virtuous choices. Yet, lurking within these seemingly innocent packages, unseen saboteurs can be at play. Hidden sugars. Learn to read and interpret nutrition labels with a keen eye. Look for terms such as sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, and dextrose. Aim for foods with less than 5 grams of sugar per serving. Naturally occurring sugars in whole fruits come with fiber and nutrients. Make informed choices to support your health and energy levels. Chapter 4. The power of fiber. Within the complex tapestry of nutrients essential for human health, fiber stands as an unsung hero. Fiber plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. Its presence in a meal can significantly alter the glycemic response, transforming a rapid influx of glucose into a more gentle, sustained release. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance that slows down the digestive process. This natural braking system prevents the sudden surge of sugar that can overwhelm the body's regulatory mechanisms. By moderating the speed of sugar absorption, fiber helps to prevent sharp peaks in blood glucose. This contributes to more stable energy levels throughout the day. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into every meal is a cornerstone of effective blood sugar management. Prioritize whole grains, whole fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Enlist the natural modulating capabilities of fiber, supporting our body's innate ability to maintain equilibrium. Pave the way for enduring energy and well-being. Chapter 5. Why regular nourishment matters. The human body is finely tuned to maintain a state of equilibrium, or homeostasis. Skipping meals or allowing too much time to pass between them creates a void in our energy supply chain. This void can trigger a cascade of physiological responses aimed at conserving resources. When we go too long without eating, our blood sugar levels naturally begin to decline. The body initiates a stress response, releasing hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. This can lead to a state of internal agitation and unease. Mood swings, fatigue, and cravings for quick energy foods can become more pronounced. A strategy of regular, mindful nourishment is highly effective. Aim to eat every 3 to 4 hours to maintain a more stable blood sugar level. This approach supports our body's intricate energy systems, preventing disruptive lows. Foster a state of steady energy and emotional resilience. Chapter 6. Post-meal movement. The period immediately following a meal presents a unique physiological window. Incorporating gentle movement after eating can have a remarkably beneficial impact on blood sugar regulation. Even a short leisurely walk after a meal can help the body to more efficiently utilize glucose. Muscles increase their uptake of glucose, helping to blunt the post-meal rise in blood sugar. This gentle activity aids in lowering blood sugar levels and can improve the overall digestive process. Consider taking a 10-minute walk after lunch. This small investment of time can yield significant physiological benefits. It helps your body to actively use up some of the sugar you've just consumed. Integrate brief periods of post-meal movement into your daily routine. This simple habit supports your body's natural rhythms, contributes significantly to your overall well-being and blood sugar management. Chapter 7. Hydration and blood sugar. The choices we make regarding hydration can have a direct impact on our blood sugar levels. Many modern drink options are laden with sugars that can send our glucose levels soaring. Exercise caution with sodas, sweetened teas, energy drinks, and other sugar-sweetened beverages. These drinks deliver a concentrated dose of refined sugars directly into our system. The body absorbs these liquid sugars rapidly, leading to a dramatic spike in blood glucose. Even fruit juices, often perceived as healthy, can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar. The ideal choice for hydration is water, which contains no sugars, calories, or artificial additives. Herbal teas, unsweetened, can also be excellent choices. Carry a reusable water bottle to ensure healthy hydration choices are always the easiest choices. Prioritize water and other unsweetened beverages to manage blood sugar effectively. Provide your body with clean hydration without disrupting the delicate balance of your internal energy systems. Chapter 8. Cultivating balance. Mastering blood sugar and achieving lasting vitality is about cultivating balance. Adopt simple, sustainable habits that work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. These are foundational lifestyle adjustments that yield profound and enduring benefits. Prioritize balanced meals rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. Be aware of hidden sugars and commit to reading labels. Understand the importance of meal timing to avoid disruptive dips in energy. Opt for water and unsweetened beverages over sugary drinks. Incorporate gentle activity, particularly after meals, to help your body efficiently utilize energy. These pillars, thoughtful nutrition, wise hydration, and regular movement, form the bedrock of stable blood sugar. Foster a respectful and attentive relationship with your own physiology. Make small, intelligent choices that accumulate over time to create a significant positive impact. The intricate dance of blood sugar is a fundamental rhythm of life. Start with one habit from today's video for steady energy and fewer mood swings. The journey to lasting vitality is a series of considered steps. Like this video if you learned something new. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, And don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.